how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, then you can simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here inside your activity, you can just tap on likes. And now here, once you are inside the likes, then what you can do is at the top you'll see several tabs. So from there you can just tap on all content type, and here from the pop-up menu you can simply select reels option, and after that you can just tap on apply. And now here, once you have seen all the reels, then what you can do is you can just tap on select option, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here you can just keep on selecting the video that you want to unlike. And here, once you're done selecting all the video, then you can just tap on unlike button shown at the bottom. And here at the pop-up menu you can confirm the action by tapping on unlike, and once you do that, all the reels on your Instagram that you have liked before will be removed. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.